Deodorants. By the way, the problem with most deodorants, commercial deodorants, is they use things that clog your pores. Okay, you want to sweat. Sweat is one of the largest ways that the body detoxes. All right, this is something that should happen naturally all day, every day. So you don't want to clog your armpit pores. Your armpit pores are near your lymph nodes, and so a lot of toxins come out through that area. So we don't want to inhibit sweating. We want to inhibit stank. All right, we want to inhibit smell. All right, so this recipe right here is kind of what with the one that I make is based off of, although I've kind of made it my own and I've added a few things. So this is tried and true right here. Super simple to make. Shea butter, coconut oil, baking soda, arrowroot powder, or some kind of a starch. You can do some organic cornstarch if you wanted to, but you do need that starch in there. And then some essential oils to scent it, or you don't have to use essential oils at all, right? And you use a little dab of a finger, wipe it in your armpit, and I'm telling you right now, you will not stink. And if you have stink, it will get the stink out, okay? The only problem with this is with the baking soda, because it's so alkaline, and because some of our skin is so acidic, there's this reaction. Some people have a really sensitive skin reaction to the baking soda. It's not super problematic, just a little bit uncomfortable. And if that happens to you, then it's just something that some people get used to it. They kind of adapt to it after a few days, but some people have a really big issue with that, right? So, but again, this is a great homemade deodorant. It totally works, right? Something I've heard great things about from my clients is this one by Primal Life Organics. You can actually get this on Amazon, or you can get it through their website. I heard it works amazingly well. All right, so this would be a really good top store pick for deodorants. And then Primal Pit Paste has been around for a bit. They use a formula very similar to that first homemade one. They've kind of tweaked it and made their own too. Works really, really well. They have several different versions. This unscented one is the one that actually checked out the best on EWG. All right. If you have a reaction to the baking soda, they actually have a baking soda free version. I don't think it works as well, and I don't think it has as good a ratings on EWG. All right, but this is another good option. And then I make one here in the office. We call it Whiff. Get Yo Stank Off. It is amazing, and the formulation is perfect, and it works really well. It's been tested in CrossFit gyms here in Vegas, the jungles of Peru, and everywhere in between, and it is legit. Like it's awesome because it does have a little bit of baking soda, although I've reduced that amount. Some people do have a reaction to it, but if you ever have a reaction to something you buy from us, then you can return it and I'll give your money back and I'll just use it myself, right? But I feel like the formulation of this is perfect. I absolutely love it. We've heard really, really good reviews on it. All right.